Everyone, today in this video we'll see how to set deal alerts on Amazon. Actually, right from your Amazon app, if you click on you at the bottom, when you click on you at the bottom, you will find this settings gear icon at the top. You need to click on that. You need to click on notifications, and the second option you need to click on deals and recommendations. If they are disabled, just enable this, okay, so that you'll get the recommendations. And if this is not sufficient for you, right on the search you can search something as deal of the day. So deal of the day you can search, and Amazon will give you something like today's deals. You need to tap on that, and here you need to click on the filters and use these filters. You can filter with the rating, and you can filter with the percentage of the discount what you'll get, and you can click on show results. So that, see here, 88 percentage off, 70 percentage off. So these are all the results where you'll get maximum 94 percentage. See here, 94 percentage of discount. See here. So this is how you can get the best deals. And one more thing, if you're using laptop, this is only for the desktop. On the Chrome there is a browser called Camel. What this extension does for you is, this will track the price tracking details for a particular product. So when there is a price drop, this, if you install this uh, Camel extension, it will compare you the results of the prices of the same product what you are wishing for to buy. You can have the overlook of the prices drop, and you can take the decision of whether to buy or not. So I'll continue on the laptop for this video. Yeah, as I said, I am on the laptop. See here, camel.com, or you can directly search in the search like camel extension for Chrome. So if you use this, you'll get this. Where is this? On the Chrome Web Store, you can get this and you can add it to the Chrome. But remember, this extension is available for few countries. So if you are in that country, maybe you can use this extension. And now when you browse through Amazon, when you click on the wish list for a particular object, then this will be useful. So you can track the price drop like this, and you can have a particular product price drop details. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.